Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sukriti Arora and जैसे कि मैंने अपने पिछली डायबिटीज़ की वीडियो में प्रॉमिस किया था that in the next video we'll talk about the top 5 myths and misconceptions about diabetes. So here we are, and without any further delay, let's get into the video. Moving on, the second misconception that we hear about diabetes is that to have or not to have tea and sugar and coffee and sugar. See, even if you are a diabetic patient, I'm not going to ask you to cut down on your sugar immediately and not having even a single grain of sugar in your diet. That's wrong. So all I want you to follow these 4 rules while consuming tea and coffee. Number 1, restrict your consumption of tea or coffee to 2 to 3 cups a day only. Do not have tea or coffee first thing in the morning or last thing at the night. Do not consume tea or coffee instead of any meal. Do not skip any meal to have tea or coffee. And number 4, do not consume tea or coffee after 6 p.m. Next, this question has been asked by every diabetic patient all over the world. Can we have all the fruits? Yes. Ultimately, it's all about the portion size. So if you want to have mango or grapes or chiku, you can definitely have it, but you need to control on your portion size. Like you can have 1 or 2 slices of mango once in 2 days, or you can have 8 to 12 pieces of grapes once in 2 days. That would be absolutely fine, and it won't spike up the level of sugar in your blood. Besides this, if you are having any fruit that is local, that is it grows in nearby area, or it is traditional, that is you are having it since you grow up, it won't harm you in any way because your body is adapted to that fruit. White rice, brown rice, white rice, brown rice, you can have any of them. Since you are having brown rice because it has a lot of fiber, I've already told you the disbenefits of having excess fiber, so it is absolutely okay to have white fiber, white rice, as long as you wash off all the extra starch present in the rice, and then you can enjoy small portion of white rice as well. And since white rice is considered to hike up sugar levels in your body, so try to consume it before 7-8 p.m. at the night. And especially in India, we consume white rice along with such good combinations that it won't provide us much harm, because we have it with pulses and vegetables usually, so it is mutually supplemented and hence causes no harm to our body. Lastly, whether to consume fat or not. It is super important to consume some amount of fat in your diet, because fat, energy dense food, it also provides us with the ability to assimilate food well. It also helps the vitamin D absorption in the body, and also all those low fat chips and biscuits, they always make you eat more because they are snacks and you tend to eat more of them because they are fat free, but actually they are not fat free. You need to just turn around the packet and read the label. All the magics will come in front of you. Fats increase the body's ability to assimilate vitamin D, vitamin B12. It also helps in the smooth motion of food in your body. It keeps up with the diversity of gut bacteria and intestinal mucosa. It also provides us with a steady blood sugar response. So fat is definitely important for our body. Also, it's very important to keep in mind that anything that's coming out of a plant is always beneficial and healthy of a body, but anything that's being made inside a plant is most of the times harmful for our body. Besides this, it is very important to have a sound sleep of 8 hours for everybody, and especially for diabetic patients. Half an hour before you go to bed and half an hour after you rise up from the bed should be a no gadget zone. Now, as we talked about weight gain in our previous diabetes video, exercise should be the most vital part of diabetic patients' life, because activity helps them to build muscle strength and increase their lean body mass, which is already being lost by exercise. I don't only mean walking, but also weight training, because it increases the bone mineral density for diabetics, which is very beneficial for them. Like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.